What are we doing?
We are driving.
Emma, what are we doing?
Driving.
No, let Emma answer. What are we doing, Emma?
Playing toys.
Playing with toys.
The Tacoma's a toy, right?
It's a very accurate statement.
Are we gonna go get it dirty? Are you gonna get it dirty?
Yes.
Yeah? So today we are going to go off-roading in the Tacoma.
That's right. If you were with us a few weeks ago, Chris and Elsa and I made an attempt up Triangle Hill, and we didn't make it to the top with the truck. We walked up, but today we're taking a different route.
We're gonna make it.
And this time we're gonna make it. We got Lauren here as a navigator.
Yeah.
And then once we're done with that, we're gonna do more cool stuff.
More cool stuff?
More cool stuff.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
That's crazy, Mike.
What's your favorite car, Emma? Daddy's truck.
Oh.
That's a good answer.
Hey, what's your favorite car?
Red.
Red. I like a red 4Runner over a blue Chevy Cobalt.
Yeah.
Or you might like a red Chevy Cobalt over a blue Toyota 4Runner.
No.
Okay, thought I might have tricked you there, but you're too smart for me.
Yes?
You're gonna show us how it's done, right?
Yeah, the girls are.
The girls, okay?
Yeah. Are we gonna show them how it's done? No? Yeah, we are. We're gonna show them.
Girls gonna show us how to drive.
I already drove up.
Drive a truck.
Drive down.
So I'm happy to announce that we made it to the top of Triangle Hill this time. If you were with us a few weeks ago, you remember there was a Ford F-150 sitting up here. Chris and I hiked to the top with Elsa on Chris's shoulders Now we're up top with the Tacoma, enjoying this sweet view of the Cascades. See, if you look in the distance, got Bachelor over here. We got Broken Top. Actually, my finger probably doesn't line up on the image. Broken Top, we got South Sister, Middle Sister, North Sister, Mount Washington up there in the distance, and Three Fingered Jack. Jefferson just barely peeking through. Little smoky today, so not as clear as last time, but still a really great view. And of course, the Tacoma looks awesome up on top. Now, Chris and I can't take all the credit for this. Lauren was the masterful driver that forged her way to the top of Triangle Hill, so she did a pretty sweet job on that.
I have 2 kids.
You have 2 kids? Cheese. So now that we're to the top, we're actually have another destination in mind. So we're gonna drive back down and then actually head up toward Broken Top in the distance. Another sweet road that we found on the maps that we think is gonna be pretty cool. And then the imagery up there is really sweet as well. So head that way now.
There's a big rock again.
That is a big rock. You want that rock to go on top now? Okay, what's the next rock? This is?
Don't throw it down.
See if you can get it. This one's kind of tiny on top. Oh,
It's falling off.
look at that.
And knock it down.
Are you gonna knock it down? Knock it! Oh!
You want it again? Do it again.
Do it again?
No.
No? You don't want to tell them to subscribe and like? Is that a no?
Emma, can you say subscribe and
It's
like?
bouncy.
It is bouncy. Can you guys say subscribe and like? Say subscribe and like to Mike C.
I'm
Are you gonna say it?
I'm real shy.
You're real shy.
So that's it for today's video. We're headed back to town now. Unfortunately, we didn't have time to actually go on any hikes, but we saw some pretty cool scenery along the way. Girls did awesome in the back seat, and then of course Lauren up in the front seat did really good too. Chris, he did all right as well, I guess. This was Lauren's probably first time doing like true off-roading.
Yeah.
So what'd you think about your first experience, Lauren?
I thought it was gonna be a lot scarier. I guess I just didn't realize how capable your Tacoma really is versus my CRV.
We're trying to convince Lauren to get one of her own. What do you guys think? Do you think she should get a Tacoma?
I think if I get a Tacoma, Mike should buy it for me. Then it could be a Tacoma for the channel.
It's an interesting possibility. Maybe if we get 1 million likes on this video.
1 million likes? I don't know, I feel like 100,000 was a good amount.
All right, 100,000 likes. If we get 100,000, I don't know. Yeah, 100,000 likes on this video. Trying to do the math on this. If we get 100,000 likes, I'll buy Lauren a Tacoma. Not a third generation Tacoma, Lauren. Okay.
I can work with it.
We're thinking maybe
we can build it up.
Maybe a first, maybe a second generation, which would actually be better because then we don't have to worry as much about scratching the truck, taking care of it. I feel
then
a little bit.
We could do more fun videos.
We could do more fun videos because yeah, with this truck, even though it's a very capable truck, it's meant for this kind of stuff. It's also really expensive. Yeah, it's beautiful, and it's a really expensive truck, and so I don't want to be doing anything that's too intense with it. So if we had an older Tacoma that we could actually like do crazier stuff with, that'd be pretty awesome.
Yeah.
So, all right, 100,000 likes.
Like
Make sure
and
you
subscribe.
like, subscribe too. Yeah. What would you tell to other off-roaders out there from your experience? What kind of advice or wisdom could you give them to help them be more capable, more confident with their off-roading skills?
Full send. Full send. Other big thing, take care of the roads, just so then they stay open and we can continue to use them and enjoy it while you're out there.
That's right, stay on the trail, that's key. So was there any point during today's drive where you were nervous? Where you're like, this is not good, the truck is about to flip over?
There were a few times where you guys got out and you wanted me to do some stuff and I didn't necessarily feel comfortable. But then as soon as I started taking it on, it wasn't as bad as I expected it to be. There were many, many times coming up and down Triangle Hill where Emma and Elsa were telling me to slow down and that they were all done and they needed to get out.
We've heard the all done thing a few times today from those two.
Yeah.
They've basically spent their entire day sitting in car seats. But
with all of our snacks though.
Lots of snacks.
Yeah, they're loaded with snacks.
And I gotta say, they've been champs. Like, they really have not complained that much. They've said all done a few times, but then when we say no, they're like, all right, it was worth a try. Gotta say, they're both pretty cute back there. So, we talked about Lauren getting a Tacoma. If we got 100,000 likes, how many likes would it take for Chris to get one, do you think? Maybe that'd be the million number.
Yeah.
Here's the deal.
Toys.
Elsa, give me just a moment here. Dado wants a toy.
New toys.
The deal is, if this video gets enough likes, you will see me do a lot crazier stuff with the Tacoma than Mike.
Oh, that's true.
So maybe that's a reason not to like the video. I don't know, but I'll let you decide.
Okay, 100,000 likes, Tacoma for Lauren. 1 million likes, Tacoma for Chris as well.
I feel like million likes, it has to be a nice Tacoma.
We'll get him a second gen. Lauren will get the first gen, Chris will get the second gen.
And you got the third?
I got the third. That's it for today's video. For more videos of the third generation Tacoma, maybe the first gen, second gen down the road, subscribe to the channel. In the meantime, thanks for watching.